Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1981 Mercedes-Benz 380 SEL. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The engine air filter is no problem to replace, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. The taillight bulbs are easy to replace, as you only have to reach through the trunk to access the bulb housing. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. For access to the headlight bulbs, you will have to complete many steps. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. Changing the wiper blade can be difficult, as you will have to follow complicated steps in order to raise the blade. Other models make this easier to complete. You will have to reach through the engine bay in order to access the lower radiator hose for a coolant drain. This reach can be difficult. Overall, the 1981 Mercedes-Benz 380 SEL is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for the average car owner.